Well, I completed my first build today, computer build. Here's the Windows Experience Index. I've got a 7.8. The highest score you can get is 7.9. And I think if I overclocked my microprocessor, I'd probably get 7.9 to match all the other scores here, but I won't be overclocking it anytime soon. Here's the computer. I decided to go with the Fractal Design F4 case. I've got 6 fans mounted in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the radiator here. You can see the radiator for the water cooling of the microprocessor. This Corsair H100i water cooler. The microprocessor behind that is the i7-3930 Sandy Bridge, the 211 pin back behind here. The motherboard is a ASUS Sabertooth X79. It's working flawlessly so far. I had to go with this video card. This is a Sparkle GTX 580. There are faster ones on the market right now, but the software that I use, Adobe Premiere Pro, specifically has tested and certified this card, so I had to go with it. I've got 8 banks of RAM. There's 4 and 4. I just decided to go with the Corsair Dominator for a total of 64 gigabytes of RAM. Over here is the an internal hard drive. This is Western Digital Black, 4 terabyte. And then on the back side, you can see my SanDisk way down over here. That's the SanDisk solid state drive. It's a 480 gigabyte. I decided to go with the Corsair HX850 power supply. The whole thing is running Windows 7 Ultimate. Here on the front, here's my optical, of course, and I went with I really like this this Roswell connector hub card reader. You can read micro SD cards. I've got 3.0 USB 3.0 here, 4 on the front then, and they all work fine. I've got 4 USB 3.0s here, 2 more up here. And everything's working well so far. So that's my first build. I'm pleased with it, and it's running well so far.